Hi, welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons. I've got Daniel Parsons Ministry LLC, registered business in the state of Washington, which is in Olympia, where our state capital is. I'm also Prife International Independent Business Owner, and I market and sell the iTeraCare devices as well as the Oxy Tap Infuser now, which will work along with your pure water to increase the dissolved oxygen content of your water. But this video update today is about the price increase for 2024. I've already done a video about the price increases in the USA. Today is a short one about the price increases in Canada. Your iTeraCare Classic device, the red one, will now be $405, a $20 increase. And the negative ion shield, which is your electronic mask, that will go up to $405 also. The iTeraCare Premium in Canada will sell for $1,215 now. And the iTeraCare Pro, this is the Rolls Royce of TeraHertz devices. It will now be $4,050 in Canada. So I will be available for last minute sales if you do them on my website, iTeraCareHealthBlower.com. I have the current prices in Canada set on that website. And I will put that website link in the info on this video. Um, but as of Sunday morning, I will be adjusting those prices to the new 2024 prices. The reason Sunday, the 31st of December, I will be adjusting those prices is the server for Prife International is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And that server is 11 hours ahead of where I'm at right now in Chile, down in South America. And the server is 13 hours ahead of Eastern Time USA and 16 hours ahead of Pacific Time USA. So it'll be too late Sunday morning if you try to do a device at the 2023 prices. So that's why I've been giving these updates and alerts, and some of you have been making orders on my website, so you've been able to take advantage of the 2023 price at the last minute. So it's going to be an exciting 2024. We have quite a bit lined up for training our team, and you're getting quite a bit of action from all the people that I sponsor. They are falling down the left side of my tree, and then on the right side of my tree, my right leg, we run down the left side of that right leg, and that is being very strong. So we're doing our best to keep up and keep it matched out. So I will have some more trainings starting in January, and I look forward to speaking with you and working with you then. Bye for now.